Hey guys, I'm petition for some Roblox servers link from Roblox Expedition and Country Got Game picture ago. So this is the Halloween event update guys. So ready to play? So here we go. Now it's Halloween guys. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna choose. Alright guys. I'm gonna choose you or not. I'm gonna be a United States or not. Ready for this? So yeah, here we go. So I'm a United States guys. And we're here guys. Here we go. Oh, I gotta claim a war and know it. So yeah, it's good. So I'm a American, note for that. So that was good. So here we go. I chose American, guys. So yeah, that was good. So here we go. Good. All right, guys. Wow, it's dark right now. I know it. So that was good. So here we go. All right, guys. So let's go, guys. So here we go. And we're here, guys. So yeah, that's good. So here we go. Now it's nighttime. It's Halloween. I know it for that. So yeah, let's get here. Now it's Halloween, guys. So yeah, hold on, I'm just gonna put the POV here guys, register and that's good. So yeah, so here we go. Alright, time to wear a jacket guys. So yeah, it's very freezing guys. So yeah, that was good, so here we go. And a backpack. And we're good, so here we go. Alright guys, so yeah. Ooh, there's a jack-o'-lantern right there. Ooh, and there's a candy bar. Alright, maybe I'm just gonna take some candy bar. I'm just gonna eat guys, so yeah. And tastes yummy, I know it. It tastes sweet, I know it. So that was good, so here we go. There's a sleeping quarters right there. If you want to sleep, if you can't. Ooh, just what a lovely pictures, you know it. That was good. So yeah, so here we go. Wow. Cool. So yeah, so here we go. Oh my goodness, of all times, you know it. So yeah, so here we go. Alright, I'm just gonna go to the alright, maybe I'll go to the control room, you know. So let's go guys. So here we go. Ooh, live is one massive adventure. So yeah, let's get to here we go. Oh, now it's daytime guys. So yeah, here we go. Wow, look at this. Nice Halloween decorations. So yeah, there's a bat right there. There's a jack-o'-lantern. That's cool. And there's a jack-o'-lantern lights. You know it. That's cool. And there's a haunted house. You know it. So yeah, that was awesome. Alright, maybe I'm just gonna take a look at the haunted house for that. Okay, I'll go to haunted house. Alright, maybe I'm just gonna go in. Ooh. Alright, maybe I'm just gonna enter, guys. This house is haunted. No, that's cool. Alright, guys. So maybe I'm just gonna do like a albeit one. Oh my goodness. This is crazy, you know what? Oh my goodness. Alright, are you gonna do it or what? Alright. So yeah. Oh, wait for me. Wait. I didn't know. Alright, there we go. No! Okay, maybe you know what, I'm just gonna try again to drop you guys, you know what? So yeah, I did not die, you know what? So that was good. I died. Alright, follow the path, guys. Don't fall! Alright, I was trying to do the haunted lobby. Haunted house lobby, you know what? Yeah. Haunted house adventure lobby, you know what? So yeah. Alright guys. Alright, I'm gonna jump. Alright guys. I don't wanna die. Oh! Maybe I got a hard one. Okay, don't go into the witch's pot. You're gonna die, alright? So it's poison, you know it. Okay. Don't fall, alright? So don't. Alright, I'm gonna make it. There we go. I'm really scared, you know it. Maybe I'll make it good. Yeah. And I did it. So yeah. attack, you know what? So yeah, I don't wanna die, you know what? That's cool. And we're back. We're back. You know what? So that's cool. What a great jack-o'-lantern, you know what? That's awesome. So yes, here we go. Alright, I'm just gonna drink some water, guys. I need some water, you know what? Okay, guys, so I got a free hearts, you know what? 45 hearts. 45%, you know what? So yeah. Yeah, I'm not dying. That's cool. So yes, here we go. I don't wanna die anymore, you know what? It's crazy, you know what? That's cool. So yes, here we go. Alright, hold on, I'm just gonna... There we go. That's great. That's cool. So yeah, here we go. That was very scary, you know what? That's scary, I know it. So yeah, let's get here we go. Get. Alright. Ooh, there's a bat helicopter, you know it. So yeah, that's cool. Ooh, there's a luxury tent. There's a bat right there, you know it. So yeah, that's cool. Ooh, and ooh, there's a jack-o'-lantern, you know it. Free pumpkin lantern. Oh, if you want to buy, if you can, you know it. Evil penguin is wearing the witch's hat, you know it. That's cool. Am I need to touch it or what? Oh yes, you can touch it. They didn't die, you know it. So yeah, that's cool. Here we go. If you want to go to the Antarctica adventure, if you want to, alright, maybe not. I'm just gonna stay here because this Antarctica adventure is so hard. So I just played before, I know it. So yeah, that was good. Here we go. Let's take a look here, guys. So yeah, ooh, there's an evil penguin right there, I know it. So that was cool. That's scary, I know it. So yeah, that was cool. So yes, here we go. Wow. That's frightening and scary, you know it. So yeah, that's good. So here we go. Alright, just leave the 45% of my heart. Just leave it, guys. So yeah, that was good. So here we go. That was terrifying, you know it. Alright, let's take a look here, guys, to the search and rescue place, you know it. So I just buy the game passes, you know it. So yeah, let's go there. Here, guys. Oh! Change your role to enter. Oh, change your role. I have to change my role? Or what? Oh, you have to change my role. What? How do I change my role? No, it's... How do I get in? Why can't I get in? Or what? Okay, maybe you know what? I'm just gonna reset, guys. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna reset and... I'm back. So yeah, it's good here, guys. Just changed my role, I know it. Alright, I'm going to the search and rescue, guys. Oh, change your role to search and rescue to enter. How do I enter? How do I enter? Okay, maybe, how do I wear? I know it. Okay, I'm just gonna find it, guys. I'm just gonna find my clothes, I know it. Oh, my role? Okay. Okay, explore, search and roll. And I'm, now just search and rescue, I know it. Okay, I'm just gonna wear my jacket. It's freezing cold, I know it. And a backpack. There we go, good. Alright guys, so I just changed my role to the search and rescue and all that, so yeah, it's good. Alright, and I'm in. So yeah, it's good to go. Alright, I'm just gonna take a look at the, the TV, click screen, I know it. And we're here at the base camp, I know it. Oh my goodness, and we're through this adventure, I know it. Wow, ooh, there's the back bridge, I know it. That's scary at all. I know that. There's penguins right here. Ooh, evil penguins here, I know it. That's scary. I know that. Wow, this is a camp one. Ooh, this is very scary, I know that. Oh, vertical ascent, I know that. There's a spider web right there to the eyes, I know it. Vertical ladder jump. Oh, I know it. Ice the ladder. You have to be careful, you're gonna die. See, everyone die, I know it. So yeah. Oh, and there's a ghost right there, I know it. Alright. Because I was scared by the ghost and now the ghost attacked me, I know it. That was good. You have to be careful, okay? So yeah. Wow, look at this. Cool. Ooh, this camp 2. Oh my goodness, there's... Oh, I saw it. Just this the same or not. Oh, and there's another haunted house or not. That's cool. Ooh, cracking eyes. That's beautiful or not. Ooh, Canada Glacier or not. You have to be careful, you're gonna die. Not. Oh, camp free? Oh, here comes the airplane got crashed. Crash landing, not. And there's a haunted house again or not. That's cool. Oh, he needs help. Okay, just leave it alone. So yeah, it's good. Build more glacier. And the airplane is like and back to the base camp and all that. And that's good. I just checked the security TV and all that to check on it to be safe. I know I'm a search and rescue and all that for my life. And all that. So yeah, that was good. So here we go. Alright, hold on. I'm just gonna put it straight, guys. Very straight. Properly. And that's good. So yeah, maybe it should be okay or not. That was good. So here we go. Hold on 1 second. And perfect. So yeah, that was good. So here we go. Good. Oh, this is a meeting room, not. If you want to have a meeting room, if you can, not. So that was good. Here we go. Oh, and there's a helicopter, not. Oh no. So yeah, okay. Am I need to write some helicopter or what? Oh, there's a bat of the helicopter, not. I'm just gonna write. I'm gonna write, guys. And oh, and I made it. That's cool. Alright, so how do I press up? There we go. Up is this way, guys. So yeah, that was good. And I'm on a helicopter, guys. Wow, look at this. So amazing. Waterfall. Wow, I was right in the helicopter. I know it. Oh my goodness, what is that? Let's go down here, guys. So yeah, just doing the helicopter tour. Oh my goodness, wow. Oh my lord, that was amazing. So I'm riding on a helicopter, not. So yeah, that was good. So here we go. Wow, so yeah, that's cool. I'm riding on a helicopter. That was amazing. So yeah, so here we go. Oh, there we go. Now it works. Alright, sorry about that. Alright, I'm going down, guys. How do I go down? There we go. And I go down right there, guys. I'm riding on a helicopter. That was amazing. Ooh, there's a penguin right there. Go down, go down, go down. Down, 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 down. I want to see a penguin, guys. Alright, how do I get down?